Oh, okay. So today I am going to continue talking about these uh, Go routines. Go routines. So last couple of classes we learn in a Go language how we can achieve multi-threading. The concept of Go routines. So Go routines is the concept from where our Go compilers or Go runtime environments run function or task separate for each thread sequence, right? It's good, but now we have learned how can create the basics Go routine and how multiples Go routines are going to talk each other. So maybe here we learned about the channel. The channel help us to communicate multiples Go routines here. Some Go routines may be write data, some Go routines may read data, again someone write data, again someone read data. Okay, so these things we already learned. So till now, whatever we have learned, like our channel help us to share data between the Go routines. So sometime might be whatever example we created till now, we created only one channel. But Go language support, hey, you can create many number of channels. Maybe this is the channel one. Okay, this is the maybe channel two. Okay, so you can create a separate channel, and maybe this is the one Go routine can write data here. Maybe another Go routines maybe write data in this channel. Okay. Might be another Go routines are responsible. Might be they can read data from this channel or from this channel. Depend upon which channel is ready. Might be this thread, this Go routines are not written any data. So this Go routine, maybe Go main Go routine or any Go routines can not wait. You can say one kind of a blocking communications. So one way uh, multiple Go routines are communicate with a blocking fashion. Another way, hey, multiple Go routines. Uh, Still, we have options. Uh, we can, you can say, mm, make a non-blocking communication, right? So here might be option that our a specific Go routines are work on the multiple channel, and even channels are blocking communication. It's allow, hey, it's a concept is allow, hey, you can, if any channel ready, then read data. If no data channel is ready, don't block. Okay, so for those, today we are going to understand one more concept in a Go routine inside the select statement. The select statement is one of the, you can say, very unique features of these Go routines, where allow our any routines, maybe main Go routine and any Go routines are works or read or write data on the multiple channel, even they are non-blocking person. Okay, so select a statement similar to look like a switch statement, but there are my different purpose. The way Go language here use select statement to support Go routines, multiple on multiple channels or multiple Go routines are communicated with each other by a non-blocking fashion. What do you mean by blocking fashion and non-blocking fashion? So let's understand the terminology. Blocking means look like your uh, I and I am calling to my friend. Okay, So if I am calling my friend, if my friend at the same time available to receive my call, if he is able to receive the call, that means I and my friends are able to talk the same time at the live. I am here for speaking, and the same time my friend also available for receiving the what the message I'm trying to say. So look like this the uh, blocking communication means ki what means if I say something, okay, and at this time he will receive my message at the same time. Okay, once they receive it's okay, then say yeah. So, look like in a programming language you can say server and client communication. This is the client and this is the server. Okay, you say hey server, I want to access the particular website or particular page. Server receive your information, okay, and then get the response to you. Okay, so this is kind of a blocking channel. You send a request and you wait until server is not responding to your data. This is known as a blocking communication. Anywhere you request for something and you are waiting to get the response. This is known as a blocking communication. Might be this server or take a 5 second to response. So the requester, customer send the request. Customer will wait at least 5 seconds to get the response. So this waiting of the 5 second is known as a blocking, and that means you as a software requester or customer are waiting. So those waiting means known as a blocking. So here in the case of routines, so whenever one Goroutines or request something, hey, write data, and might be they are waiting until the channel is not ready, a channel is not completed. Let's say I am going to read data from the particular channel, and but another Goroutines, anyone not written something here until I am blocked. I cannot proceed my further any kind of code because I am waiting someone, some Goroutines are going to write some data on my channel so that I can read. The channel is a by default design nature. Hey, we are blocked. You trying to read data something, and if this channel is not ready or some Goroutines are not written any kind of data, so we requester Goroutines are going to the wait. So requester Goroutine, this requester Goroutine is going to wait until someone not written some data or someone with some other Goroutine or someone not close this Goroutine. If this Goroutine is closed, at that times I am unblocked. Okay, but somehow whenever we are working in the channel and the channels are blocking in nature, so how we make a non-blocking communication? Might be I want to read data, but somehow there is some mechanism. Hey, if this channel is not ready to receive, why you are blocking? So might be one Goroutine. This is one Goroutines. They are going to read the data from channel 1, and also they are going to read data from channel 2. Okay. So here these Goroutines are responsible, can read data from 2 channels. So what happens? This channel have no data. No Goroutines are written some data here. Okay. So until this request is blocked, what happened? Another Goroutine come and write data under this channel. So if we are writing code in the sequential fashion, I am blocked the channel first, and we cannot read the channel 2 data even this channel is ready to read the data. So in this situation, our select statement help us to make the kind of a non-blocking communication. That means now even these Goroutines are responsible to reading data from this channel and both channels. If this channel is not ready to write data, I am not going to the block. Still, I am ready, this Goroutine is ready to read another channel data due to the help of your select statement. The select statement say, hey, now you can read or write data on the multiple channel, even you are the non-blocking person. This is the key benefit of select. Okay, so let's look some couple of examples. So might be it's clear. Select statement is the concept in a Goroutine which allow one Goroutines can communicate to the multiple channel. Okay, multiple channel, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. Okay, but these Goroutines are not blocked Goroutine. Means if let's going to execute this scenario, this select statement are not blocking for this, because these are the separate Goroutine and I don't know which Goroutines are first completed his job or first written a data. It might be this go channel is ready to give the data, so our select statement allow let's go and read data from this channel. You don't block for this and don't block for even this. Might be case this channel is written some data, so even this is not written data, select statement allow let's go and read data from this channel. So here our select statements are communicating the multiple channel, but still they are not blocked sequentially. If this is not written someone, so I cannot go this, I cannot go this. So the same in the case of blocking, server make a request and until you are not getting a response, these requesters are blocked. Requester cannot do any other things. This is a blocking concept. But here say select statement say, hey, I am able to can associate to the multiple requests. But who is completed? Who is written data something? I am not going to wait for you. I am not going to wait for you. If this channel is ready to return some data, this channel is ready to read, I can go and read here. So these are the fashion and kind of a non-blocking multi-channel communication. Okay, so let's look example. So here a good example. I am going to create one channel, channel 1. Okay, this is my channel 1, and let's create two channel. Channel 2. So I created two channel. Okay, and let's write one Goroutine function. Let's directly I am going to write your anonymous Goroutine function. Okay. So here I am going to return one Goroutine function that's are going to return data on channel 1. Okay. Let's write another Goroutine that's write data channel 2. Okay. So we are writing the channel data 2, and we have to start it. Okay. So might be you are familiar these kind of syntax, like we are writing a function, that anonymous function. This is your anonymous function. You are written here anonymous function. This is anonymous function. You are calling this function because they are not taking any input parameter. You are not passing any. Here go say, hey, this is the go means I am going to execute this function, this task in the separate Goroutine. Maybe you can write this function in a separate function and you can call here, right? So similar. Okay, so be clear. When sometime you see the code like this way, so these are the same thing. Maybe I can write separate function like, hey, function, maybe send data on the channel, send data. Okay, and you can write the channel. So you written one function, you written one function. So this is the function, and the same thing whatever I written here, similarly you can mention whatever channel. I can say, hey, you can say you can call this function like just right here. Say send data, and you call the function, right? Whenever you call function, you pass this channel, which channel they are going to write data, and you want to separate go routines, say go. Okay, so you can write this code in the separate function, this separate function like here, and after that notice here I can call my channel. Okay, and in this way you can write the data on the channel. Okay, so even someone may, this is the local channel, due to that I'm passing, might be this channel you can create a, let's outside here. Okay, okay, and then you can pass it. So objective is that now you have created two channel and two separate go routines are writing a data. So we are going to read data from this channel. Okay, maybe which channels are, maybe you can apply some kind of a delay. Let's here say time delay 1 second. Okay, and let's this channel, second channel, we are going to write data. Let's say hey, time start some second delay might be. Okay, so till now what we did, we are created two channels. Okay, and we started the two go routines. Both go routines are writing data something. Maybe they are delay something. They are delay something 1 minute and 1 second and 2 seconds. Whatever, let's our main go routine. We started the rating data from channel. Okay. So this is the select statement. This is a select statement. Say, hey, look like same syntax case. You already know in this, whenever you have a channel, we have a channel. So in this channel, we have a two kind of syntax we are using. One, whatever the channel name, and arrow, this symbol. This symbol help us. We are going to read data from this channel. Maybe you can assign the variable. Or whenever writing this way, your channel, this is a channel, you are say this same arrow here, and this value, whatever you are going to write under channel. Okay, so please ensure that. So here I am reading, maybe here good option, let's I write hey value x, right? Okay, okay, map it just empty. Receive value from channel 1. Okay, so this is the, you are receiving value from channel 1, and similarly maybe x, you can say this channel 2. Let's say. So in this way, here this is the main go routines are going to read data from this channel and this channel. If channel 1 is ready, then they are receiving from here data. But might be channel 1 is not ready. So our statement is not going to block for this. They are going to execute another statement. Hey, channel 2 is ready. Yes, let's go to the channel 2. So might be you can say let's run and test. Okay, so in this way, this scenario, please ensure that whenever in the select statement you are mentioning the you are going to the channel 1 and channel 2. So these are the non-block. Means if channel 1 is ready, they are going to read data. If channel is not ready, our statement say, hey, this channel ready, then they are going to read data from here. So look like a select statement allow, we have a multiple channel, and this is the select statement. Select statement say these are the non-blocking code. Means they are not like a sequential execution. Any channel ready to read or write. Maybe you are reading data from channel or writing data to channel. you can achieve from the select statement. Run it. Okay, so receive the value from channel, and even after that might be your main Goroutine close. Even we have to wait for a couple of. So this concept select is very powerful and allow you our one go routines. Maybe here I am writing the main go routine functions where they are writing the data, right? So in this way, multiple channel you can create, and in this channel, different go routines can going to write data, right? And up you can say even let's and another you are going to write the go routines that can read or write on the multiple channel. So generally we are writing a one function that can maybe depend upon the one or two or three. So channel allow, hey, you can write any number of select state. Okay. Okay. You can write maybe go routine this function, or even you can write this function. Both are the very handy, you can say. Let's say here. This is also kind of a things. So generally, whenever sometime we write a anonymous function, okay, anonymous function for just channel 1, channel 2 different, what the value I am going to write. Okay, so here we have to write the value should be like maybe channel 2. So you write in this way or this way, both here channel 1 and channel 2. So depend upon the way you are starting go routine from this way or this way or this way. Both are the same thing. This is the same thing or this is the same thing. But the way generally, if particular function task generally are written multiple times used, that preferable way to write the go routine is start with your own function. But this kind of anonymous function just for testing, because this code I'm not going to read many places or different places, so I can write in this way as well, right? Okay, and test. You are also receive whatever the channel ready. Sometimes channel 1 ready, you can receive from channel 1 value. If channel 2 ready, whatever do first, okay, you can receive. Okay, good. So here note, channel is not just for reading data. In the channel you can also write data. There is not only limitation here in case I can only write data. Might be sometime what happened, that is you are writing the select statement, okay, and this is the channel 1, this is the channel 2, and what happened, both are not ready or particular times. But I'm just written a channel 1 and channel 2. What happened, both channels are even not ready to read data. That means some go routine might be stuck and they are not able to write data. So in this scenario, what happened? So select allow or default case. If no channels are ready, none of them ready, then you can say, hey, add the default case. Default case. Okay. This key no value or none of the channel are none of the channel are none of the channels ready to receive or communicate. So in this way, sometime you have to write this case as well as, but sometime three cases. So whenever you write select statement and channel 1, channel 2 and your default, okay, default. If channel 1 is ready, it will execute it. This case is executed, okay, no problem. If channel 2 is ready, channel 2 executed. If no channel is ready, then default case is executed. What happened? The both channels are ready same time. So in this case, our statement, select statement, say any one of them can going to be executed. Please believe. If both channels are ready the same time, any one of them can execute. So this kind of a, and one things, what happens? These channels are closed. So these are a couple of scenarios. In your select statement, you are accessing the multiple channel with the default. First scenario, no channels are ready, default will execute it. Second scenario, one channel ready, the one is executed and rest is escape. Other scenario, both are ready at the same time. So any one of them select statement can choose. Okay. Third option, what happened? Channels are closed by the any other Goroutines. So in this scenario, we receive the just default value. Maybe this is the channel of integer. Generally, we receive 0 value. So whenever you're reading data from the channel give us the two options: give the values and give even channel closed, then give the 0 value. So these are kind of a permutation combinations, and whenever we are writing code, we should aware that, right? So these are the things we have to execute. Okay. Even I can say, even on this channel, you can write data if channel is not closed. Okay. So one things, this select used for this reading data. Similarly, you can write let's kind of a for loop sentence on both channel. Maybe I'm going to write data. So here say, hey, this is my for loop, and here maybe not, instead of reading, I can say, hey, I can going to write data on this channel. Hey, say this is my channel. I am going to write maybe value 100 something. Maybe channel 2, I am going to write value. Okay, default. Okay, so some cases your channels are reading data, some cases might be your channels are writing data. Okay, send value on channel. Okay, channel. Okay. And even you can do combine. This is not only case. Hey, sometime you want maybe some read, some write. Yes, you can write. So select is a kind of a more maybe in this channel you are writing data, in this maybe you are reading data. Okay. Receive. Okay. So select I have lots of permutation combination. Okay. So whenever you are going to use the select statement, you select statement allow even on the multiple channel, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. So here all the possible scenario. One scenario, you write the select with the multiple channels and maybe reading data. It's okay. Maybe one scenario writing the select with the multiple channels and each channel maybe writing data. This is the reading data. This is for writing data. Even you can combine, hey, some for the writing data channel and some for the reading data from channel and some default scenario as well, right? So these are the multiple, you can say, flavor you have. So channel select statement is you can say help us to communicate multiple go routines asynchronously and non-blocking fashion. Let us example. Hey, might be this is the one go routines, another go routines. Okay, maybe another one. Maybe this is the one channel for maybe some option. So any control flow, this channel can be written and this can be written, and both you can do in the select statement. You can say select statement, one channel may be writing data, one channel may be reading data, and after writing and after reading, what the next action I want to do, those next action I am to do inside your select statement. That means whenever some go routines are ready to send something, you generate some signal. On those signal, what action I want to do? So this select statement say, hey, this is the one go routines, another go routines, another go routines. These go routines are running parallelly, okay? And one places I want to trigger some action. Let's this go routine is completed a job or something done. Then they tell, hey, I am done. So what once this channel is completed, what the next action I want to do? Okay. Similarly, this channel is completed. Then what I want to do something next action. This channel is completed something. Then what next action I am to do? So whenever you are working on the multiple channels or multiple go routines, and if the particular go routines are completed something, yeah, they want to trigger some maybe some event. So on those events, some different go routines you want to start doing something. Okay, they start doing something. Just observe those channels, and if the particular event received, and let's start doing the maybe start a new go routines, and maybe start new activities, cleanup activities, close activities, restart activity. Let's give this a go routine. Say, hey, I have done my work. I want to restart the system. So they generate this go routines, receive the restart signal. They are going to start, hey, restart the particular server, restart the particular events. Hey, this go routine say, I have done my, and I want to, here we written, hey, this go routines are something completed. I can let's do some file cleanup, maybe create some dummy file or create some cleanup activities. So in this way, go routines event propagations is also help us to select. The select help us to propagate the event. That means one go routines do something, and after the next action they go routine don't want to do, might be the separate activities. So in this way, okay, so one go routine, and another go routines, another go routines. Let's say this go routine is completed something, okay, and after that they want this go routine can start something, maybe next activity. Maybe these are the calculate the your employee risk, and risk may be positive or risk may be negative. If risk positive, then I want to do something. If risk negative, then I want to do something, right? So here some different go routines are want to communicate and on the multiple channel. So on those scenarios, select help us to consider multiple channels, and whatever this done, they just ready to inform, and accordingly whatever the channels, if this go routine updated something or this go routine updated something, next action item again trigger initiated by your select statement. Maybe again start the go routines or just clean up code or just restart activities. That means multiple go routine, multiple channels are communicated to each other in non-blocking fashion, and this select statement allow us to not just ready to receive the event from the channel. Even this select statement allow to write and initiate. Hey, I write something, and this channel say, hey, something written, I am reading here, I may start going to processing, maybe restart the server, or maybe file cleanup. Okay, so both activity, reading event, receive, or writing data in the channel, both are allowed in your select statement. And all the possible permutation combination we already discussed. Okay, so let's explore this you can say Go language writing data, or you can say reading data in the same channel, and same channel you can write the permutation combination always. And whenever I say whenever multiple select statement, if this channel is not ready, so our default statements are going to execute, right? And even someone close the channel, already discussed channel close, then your you are checked your receiving channel is closed. So somehow whenever you are reading channel, you have a two option to read the value. Okay, so here one is the value, and another parameter you can also read the status. Okay, it is channel closed or not closed. If something, then you can say, hey, channel is closed somehow, maybe you can receive value, and if say, hey, channel is closed. If not zero, that means the channel is closed some. In this way you can write, hey, channel is somehow the closed channel. Okay, something and return from here. Okay, so whenever getting data, and you can actually check value, and if channel is closed something, you can get the zero value, and accordingly you can just take decision, hey, I am going to, channel is closed, I am not doing anything. Okay, a channel is open. So this, whenever you are reading data channel, you can receive a two kind of one is your actual channel value, and another is true false value. True false value means channel is closed or channel is still open. Okay, if it's still open, you can do. So while reading, we have a two kind of variables. Sometime you can use, sometime you can ignore. But many places, how to identify this channel is closed or not, right? So this status or flag variable or OK variable, you can use them, right? And even I can say multiple receiver, you can use the multiple receiver. That means multiple receiver means that means whenever you can start at one channel, and on one channel, one select statement you are writing the reading the data, and one Goroutines also going to hey reading data, same channel and multiple receiver you can associate. Okay, and even you can just start another Goroutine which are writing data on the channel, and you can close channel, and once close this done and this done. So even you can say our this is the one channel, and the same channel I is started, hey, read one Goroutine, one select statement from this channel, and again say, hey, this is the receiver, this is received from this select statement, and now only one channel, and I can associate the multiple receiver, right? And let's see one Goroutines are going to writing the data here. Okay, so whenever going to writing the data here, any one of them can receive the value, whatever the value we receive, receiver 1, receiver 2, and you can receive the value here. Similarly, like here Goroutine 1 received, Goroutine 2 received, and you can write the, this is the Goroutines, they are going to write the channel here. Okay, so select statement in these two Goroutines will randomly receive the value sent on this channel. Okay, so as you say, select statement allow, if both are channels ready, then I can use the any one of them, right? So these are some common practices we have to ensure that use select to wait multiple channels on the maybe single Goroutine or multiple Goroutine. Default case is handled in the case of your channel is ready or not ready. Okay, and even if you say close the signal or channel, will not ready to receive more value, you can say. So lots of permutation combinations you can do in this select option, but general guidelines, these select statement allow us to communication between the multiple channels in a non-blocking fashion. So let's do practice. Still any doubt and confusion, we'll connect. Okay, hope this information is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.